It's Cathy with her certified with test drive number 642. It's the 2022 Lexus 250 UX hybrid and luxury brand. So there's several things you'll see in the video that are really cool about this vehicle, but being a hybrid and getting the right amount of mileage, they say about 42 miles per gallon city, 36 on the highway, and I did do a lot of highway driving, and I think I came pretty close to what they said. But in the meantime, take a look at the video, and it's raining here, and that shouldn't change anything about my review, but we're not used to rain here in Arizona. So have a great day, everybody, and enjoy the video.